Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do a review on Phemex. Do not know how to pronounce it, but it's just an exchange. So basically it's a leverage exchange. So before we get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to the video. And of course, before we get started on any video, I would like to let you know about this health supplementary diet, which is Keto's by Prove It. So basically what does this product do is basically there is many product that they are offering, which is all based on health product, and after that there is, of course, you can see on the website itself there are some being sold out. And of course, if you're interested to learn more about it, just head over to the website. It's on the description link down below, and after that just click on how it works and it will tell it's gonna pop up a short video about 4 minutes long or maybe 5, talking about what is Keto OS, and after that how can you improve your health with it. And of course, yeah, basically I have used the product and of course it gave me a lot of benefit, and I'm not going to talk about all of that, maybe on a video next time purely on Prove It. So let's get started on Phemex. So it's yeah, basically this is an exchange for you to do spot trading, if not contract trading. And after that, yeah, basically I have heard a lot of people talking about it, and after that finally today I'm doing a review about it. And after that, on the headline of the thumbnail it says that you can trade gold on it, and after that I'm going to teach you how, and after that my own opinion with it. And to be honest, the website itself, it is quite clean. I would say, on not to offend anyone, but to be honest, when the first time I see this page over here, the landing page itself, it seems like a scam website, to be very honest. It's very sketchy, but yeah, many people are using it. So let's talk about the product itself. So for spot trading, you're able to trade Bitcoin, and after Ethereum, XRP and Link, basically these 4 cryptocurrency over here to buy. This spot trading means you actually buy the Bitcoin instead of leveraging or loaning money to buy Bitcoin, and after that stuff like this to buy a contract and yeah, blah blah blah. So basically you can buy Bitcoin over here with USDT. So you can use US Tether to buy Bitcoins, to trade Bitcoin and other coin over here. And after that, you're able to let's head over to the contract. So over here you can see on the contract itself there is gold/USD. So basically this is the one that amazed me, because yeah, basically you can trade gold on a cryptocurrency exchange. Yeah, which is the first, I would say, having this product over here. So basically, how can you trade with gold? Basically you need to have USD. And how do you get USD? I will tell you how you do it. It's basically just head over to assets, and after that click on deposit, and after that just head over to the assets column. Over here you will see a wallet, and after that there's no USD over here. Therefore, if you have Tether or you bought some Tether using fiat or something like this, just send over the Tether, the USDT, and after that from there just head over to the contract trades account. And after that you will see a USD trade account. Just head over here and fund USD trade account with your, yeah, basically you can fund it with Bitcoin, if not USDT. And after that from here enter the amount of USDT that you want to convert into US dollar, and after that same for Bitcoin as well, how much Bitcoin you want to send over to become USD, become USD. Yep. So basically this is the way for you to fund your US dollar. And after that, the product itself over here on the contract trading, you're able to trade with contract market, which is Ethereum, XRP, Link, ZTZ, and after that XTZ and LTC and Gold. Or everything over here mentioned is settled in USD. So basically, if you want to open or close if you want to open a long or short contract, yeah, basically it is all based on USD. And after that, your profit is in USD. And after that, only for Bitcoin over here, Bitcoin/USD is settled in Bitcoin. Therefore, you are able to top up Bitcoin, and from here open a contract up to 100 times leverage, depending on your risk management, stuff like this. And after that, let's talk about the product itself. So basically you can see I have some position open on Phemex, and after that yeah, basically I have closed position as well. So what I've done was basically I opened a 5k contract short, and after that yeah, basically it was a stop loss. So basically I lost 0.01 Bitcoin on this contract itself. So I want to talk about is about this position over here, the trailing stop loss. So basically they have trailing stop loss over here, which is very good for your risk management. So basically for me, I set a stop loss of 1% of my, basically it's around 2% of my account. So basically I can risk 2%. So basically 0.5 times 2%, which is around 0.01, something like this. So I set my risk at 0.01. So basically I'm able to lose 0.01 on this trade, and after that if I want to take profit, my profit is at 0.02. So how do I set it? So basically I just spam the number over here. I just keep entering the number, and after that the number is going to show you 0.02 and something like 0.01, and after that just click on confirm. If you know how to use trailing stop, you can use the trailing stop, the value and stuff like this for your risk management, which is totally very awesome, I would say. And after that, the platform itself, I would say, from my experience using this, I did not see any, because like I'm using this for like around 2 to 3 days only, and after that I do not see like a overloading system like on Phemex and stuff like this. So basically over here it is somewhat like Bybit, I would say. Bybit has they do not have like overloading system, stuff like this. And after that for Phemex as well, there's no overloading. And after that, basically the interface is quite slick, I would say, quite easy to understand. And over here this is showing your trade account, and after that you can see the depth over here, and on the chart itself you are able to draw your own indicators, and after that from there judge the entry, stuff like this. So basically the platform itself, it is I would say quite good. And after that, let's talk about the fees of the exchange. So basically on the fees, over here let's talk about spot trading. So basically over here, the fees is 0 for premium user on the web or app, and after that 0.1% for API. So basically what does it mean? So Phemex spot transaction are only open for premium and premium trial user. So basically for standard user like me, I'm unable to open any spot trading. Therefore it's a setting, because you need to have premium membership, and after that for the premium membership they are taking 0% fees unless you are using API, which they charge a 0.1% fee, which is very low. And after that, how can you get the premium membership? Just head over to your account, and after that just click on share premium, something like this, and from there you are able to purchase the premium over here, if I'm not wrong. Basically on your account itself, just head over here and get premium. So once you get premium over here, you're able to get a trial, if not full premium, depending. So I do not have any trial or stuff like this. So basically I need to invite a friend to sign up using my referral link or code. Then I'm able to receive the premium, basically receive the 30 days premium. If not, if you want, you can sign up, use my link, and after that basically over here they are giving $80 in trading. So how does it work? So over here, so if you deposit 0.02, you will receive nothing. Therefore 0.2, it is a amount that you can get 80. If not, if you deposit 1 Bitcoin, you also get 80, and after that just I get additional more than you. Therefore I would say 0.2 is an amount for you to start off. So basically this $80 inside Phemex itself, it is the $80 they issue to you, you're unable to withdraw it. But the good thing about the referral program is, once they issue you the bonus, you are able to use this $80 to open up a contract, and after that basically play with the free $80. And after that the $80 that they issue to you is able to, first they are able to cover the fees, secondly withdrawal fees, and thirdly you can open contract with this free $80, and from there if you make profit out of it, you can withdraw it. So it's a good thing. And after that, basically this is about the referral program. So let's talk about the fees on the contract trading. So basically the contract trading over here, the settlement, it is the same as I would say as Bybit and the Rebit, which is all. The makers will get a negative 0.025. So basically if you are keen on how can you make market, basically just head over to the product and head over to contract. Over here, just remember to enter the price. Let's say if you want to go long, just choose something like this, and after that the quantity, and after that just take on post only and click on buy, and it's gonna be on the spreadsheet itself. And once it get executed, you will get this realized PNL. So basically I've opened my contract and it shows me a realized PNL of 0.7. So basically opening, setting, and a limit order and post only, you will get rebates of it out of it. So basically you do not need to pay fees if you are doing spot, if you are maker. So basically if you use the market order, you are taking the taker's fee. So basically you are not making the market, and you're just buying whatever price is shown on the market, on the spread, on the order book itself. You just buy, and you're going to pay a 0.075%. Therefore it's not recommended. And after that, it goes as well for the gold/USD contract. So everything over here is standardized, and yeah, basically the increment as well, can look more about it. So I'm going to link this fees condition down below on the comment section, and you can read up more. And after that, for Bitcoin, the minimum deposit is freaking low. You can deposit up to basically 1 Satoshi. And after that, the minimum withdrawal is 0.02, and the withdrawal fee over here is quite high, I would say, 0.005. Yeah, we can convert it to USD. Yeah, basically it's $4 to withdraw. And after that, if let's say you have if you're trading, and after that you have the bonus as well, you can use the bonus to basically the bonus of $80 out there that they are giving. You are able to set your risk limit within $80. So basically if you lose $80 worth of Bitcoin, basically it's the free money that you're losing. So you are not losing anything technically. And after that, if you want to just like play around with the platform, send in 0.2, and after that trade for like maybe a few days, and after that if you make a profit or something like this, you can use the bonus that that is given to you, $80, to use it to cover your withdrawal fees. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. And basically that's the end of the review. So basically what we say about this product is Phemex is I would say somewhat quite new on the crypto market. Not really new, but people has been promoting it. And after that, you can see they offer gold USD trading pairs, which is the first exchange that is doing it. So basically, technically, you are using cryptocurrency to trade with gold. Why would I say technically you are using cryptocurrency? Because on the exchange itself, you are just sending in Bitcoin and USDT to convert it into USD. So basically, technically speaking, you are using Bitcoin, if not USDT, cryptocurrency, to trade with gold. Therefore, I would say you can use gold to trade with. You can use crypto to trade with gold, something like this. And after that, basically they are adding more assets into the platform itself. So they are also offering with more assets such as S&P 500. And after that, stocks and some stocks index and interest rates, blah blah blah, commodities, energy, and metals coming soon. Therefore, you will see maybe in the future you're gonna see S&P 500 on the platform itself. And after that, many more, like you can trade with forex trading pair, euro with Japan yen, something like this. Basically they are trying to improve and add more product into their exchange itself. So this exchange, I would say, if they manage to add all these S&P blah blah blah, all these stocks that traditional stock market is having onto the exchange itself, I would tell you it is basically a very strong platform, I would say, if they are able to provide all these services. And after that they have application as well. So if you're interested, just sign up and download. And of course, remember to use the referral link to claim the free $80. So the minimum to claim is 0.2 Bitcoin deposited into the exchange. And after that, if you want to trade with 1 Bitcoin, jolly well, just do it. Just deposit 1 Bitcoin, and I will receive $100. You will receive 80. Therefore, it is not a win-win situation for you, but technically speaking, both is win-win situation. So this is a way for you to support my channel. If you are, basically if you are watching and after that you want to support my channel, instead of donating or whatsoever, just use my referral link, or it's down below. Just click on it, and from there, I wish you luck in trading. And of course, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. And of course, share it with your friends and family if you feel this video is helpful. And after that, see you on the next video. Peace.